Okay, so as I was saying, that in web authoring, you have three
Yeah.
layers. You have the content layer, through which you place images, text, tables, different content onto your page.
Mm,
You
mm,
format the structure of the web page, the color scheme, through CSS,
yes.
by which I mean to change the color scheme, the formatting of heading, subheading, tables, bullet
Mm,
lists. Behavior layer basically means to add a life to a page. By
okay.
by saying live to a page means you might have filled an HTML form, a submission form, while
Mm,
you sign up for different accounts. And while you make a mistake, it tells you that you are committing a mistake. You're entering the wrong data.
mm,
Now, how does a page tell you? How does HTML tell you that? Well, because of JavaScripting. JavaScripting plays a vital role to validate a
for me, it's still no.
the cell
Yeah.
spacing. So I increase the cell spacing to 15. Cell spacing is the space between the cells. Then you also have is cell padding.
Mm,
Cell padding, if I make it 12,
yes.
let's see what cell padding is. So if I
Okay.
save this and if I
Yeah.
refresh this, what you might have seen is that the space between the
Uh-huh.
content
Can you say?
and the
Can you say it
boundary of
again?
the cell has increased. Can you see this?
It's kind of
This space is
yes.
increasing. So there are two things
Mm,
that can be used in order to
yes.
justify and play with the content or distance between the cells. That's cell
Mm-hmm.
spacing and cell padding. And these two are the attributes
The link.
of a table tag. Attributes mean
Yes.
properties.
Yes.
Okay? So the examiner might ask you, list down some
Mm,
attributes of the body tag or the
yes.
table tag. So remember what attributes are.
I
So,
have
okay,
some.
next we have is TR. TR stands for table row.
Yes, my brother.
Table row
Can you share me
means
on WhatsApp?
I want to create the first row. So one
No,
TR,
can you send me a
if you
number
want
for
a
WhatsApp?
cell is made up of a TR and TD. Do you agree? One row and
Yes.
one column
Yes.
makes up a cell. So first of all, I have to make a row. So I'll
Okay.
make a row. In the first row, I have to make a column. So remember TD
Yes.
stands for two things. TD stands for table data and table column
Mhm.
and table column as well. So if you want to
Yes,
insert a
brother.
column,
And
you use
TD
TD. And if you
in
want to
that
insert
case,
some
that
data
case
into a
means
cell, you'd also use TD. So in
that
TD I've
case
written
means
first row and first
TD
column. You can see in my first cell I have this, right?
Yes.
C1
If I want
6
another column,
0
I
4.
use another TD.
Okay, done.
It's not case sensitive. I can write TD small capital.
Yes.
HTML is not case sensitive, which means you can
Mm.
write in small or cap, right? Here you go.
Yes.
Then if I want to come to the next line, I will use another TR, table row.
Mm.
And
This is
then
the
next
second
row,
row
second row.
or the second.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
obviously in the second row, I
And
need
first
to
line,
insert again data
I'll see mine.
and in again
Yes.
column, so I
TD.
use TD and TD again.
Mm.
And then I close the table tag.
Mm.
Okay, you might have seen something that as you open the tags, you have to close them. Table tag
Mm.
being closed, you can't close the table tag over here. You have to justify it. You are working with table, close the table tag.
Mm.
Okay,
Yes.
body tag is being closed over here. HTML tag is closed at the end because HTML started in the
Mm.
beginning. So
Yes.
beginning
If we
and
close the body before the table, then the table will not appear
very good, excellent,
because body is
very good,
because the table is inside the body,
right,
between the
right,
body,
right,
body opening and body close.
very good. This means you
Yes.
are aware of the image tag as well, how
Mm.
to insert an image.
No.
For example, I want to insert an image. I'll say img src
Uh,
is equals to, I will say pic.jpg, right? I will write width is equals to 200 pixels
Mm.
and height is equals to 200 pixels, right?
Mm.
That's how you
Yeah.
work with that's how you insert an image, okay? 200 200, okay?
We have to write the name of the file.
Yeah, pic dot jpg. Let me do it for you.
Mm.
Let me experiment and show it to you.
Mm.
Do I have any? I have this image. So I'll just create is a new folder, web with Postman, and I will place this over here. I will save this file as in. Remember to save everything in a folder, please. It's really important. I keep on telling my students it's really important. Save everything in a folder, HTML. I'll save it. I will name this pic as pic. Now this is pic.jpg. You can see over here the extension says
It can also be PNG.
if it's PNG, then you have to write .png. So I'll just save it, I'll open it again, and we will see that the image appears as per our dimensions. You get the point?
Yes, but there's a way to remove the file, remove the picture.
Yeah, yes, there's a way. Then we have to insert the picture inside the table. I'll just show you.
In the middle left.
I'll just show you. Oh yes, we can. You can say. Sorry. Or this is the best way is you put this inside a table and you align the table. Or you can even do this, center and close the center tag. Although we don't have to do all the coding here, we have Dreamweaver for that. Okay, there's no point of killing a fly with a bullet, so we don't have to use coding. We should know, we should have good working knowledge of HTML. Okay, but all this we will do in Dreamweaver, don't worry. Okay.
What was BR? Background?
BR?
Yes.
BR is for next line, enter, to come to the next line.
Oh.
For example, if I want space between the image and the table, I put BR, the image comes down.
Yes.
You get the point?
It means insert the data in the next line, not on the same.
Exactly. It's just like pressing enter. Just like pressing enter. Okay?
But with the code.
Yeah. So in order, the best way to structure the content in your web page is with the help of a table. Remember that, okay, Usman? It's the best way, right? The rest, you should also know the font tag. You should know the font face is equals to, let's say, Verdana. We use American spelling because you're paying for a British paper, but you use an American language.
Hello.
You can't hear me? You can't hear me, Usman? Usman?
Yes. Now I can hear you.
Okay. Color is equal to yellow. I was saying. Yes.
Changing the text, style of the text.
That's what I'm doing. Yes.
Yes.
So I was saying.
Of the text.
Yeah, it's CULOR. It's not CULOUR.
Okay.
Remember?
Size of the text.
Yes. Font.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, I just don't remember.
Remember is in the coding or
No.
Understand. We can write everything. Then the text will.
Get the point?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's all American spellings. Remember that. That's what I was saying. It's all American, not British. Using an American language, but appearing for a British paper.
British will be wrong.
Yeah, it will not work. If I hear CULOUR, it will not work. A line has to be. It's all American spelling. Okay. Our programming languages have been developed by Americans, not the Britishers. But we are appearing for a British paper. Okay.
Yes.
So we are in between. We are sandwiched. So we have to be careful. Okay. Right.
Right.
Okay. So everything should be in a folder. Remember that. I need to say, I can't continue more than this because now we have to switch over to Dreamweaver.
Yes.
Because I have to teach, let's say 1 hour, 15 minutes on Dreamweaver. Then I can discuss HTML points in Dreamweaver.
Can you say?
Yes.
Can you say it again?
I was saying. There is a sequence we have to follow. Now we have to switch over to Dreamweaver. And we have to discuss all these points, how to do them in Dreamweaver. So I will search for torrent. I will send you by tomorrow morning. Okay.
Okay.
Make sure by evening you install. By afternoon you've installed it. Okay. Please WhatsApp me. Don't you have your own number? This number is
I
not
have
you.
WhatsApp.
Whose number is this? Right? Is it your brother?
Yes, my brother.
Oh,
You
okay.
can add me on WhatsApp.
Okay, on Facebook, right?
Yes. Can you tell me your number? Oh, right. WhatsApp.
It's come on, Usman.
Yes.
My website, mrsaem.com, has my number at the top. See, sirsaem.com. You have never noticed? See
No.
my number?
Wait, I'm writing. 922.
Yes.
No, 923.
I'll zoom it for you.
923 224
731604.
731
Oh, sorry.
604.
Yeah.
Okay. Then.
Got it?
Yes.
Right. Okay. So till then, today we just wasted some of our time because of my broken modem. Just 1 second. I will just check my speed and I want to compare with yours. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see who.
I'll search.
Yeah.
I'll search mine.
You search your
I'll see mine.
speedtest.net and tell me how's yours. I'm just checking out mine right now. I want to see how fast is Saudi. Okay. Okay, download is this much and the upload. Okay, let me just stop the recording.